If you're a business looking to send WhatsApp messages to your customers and your WhatsApp keeps getting banned all the time, in today's video, we will understand how you can use WhatsApp Business API to successfully send messages to billions of customers and not get banned ever. Let's get started. The WhatsApp Business API is a service provided by Meta, the company which also owns Facebook, Instagram, and many other services. The WhatsApp Business API allows businesses to set up an API-based tool to send out messages. This can primarily happen in two ways. One, the WhatsApp Business API can be integrated with your CRM, your billing solution, or any other software you're using to manage your customer's life cycle. At the appropriate time, you can send personalized messages. These can include marketing notifications, order confirmations, payment confirmations, and much more. The other way is to send WhatsApp campaigns. What this basically means is if your business has a new sales going on or it has a new promotion that it wants to send to customers, you can set up live messages which can go out right that moment, and you can schedule messages to go out at a later time. So let's say X number of days from today, you're looking to send out a message that a new sale has gone live. You can set up that message today and you can create a personalized message where you can say, "Hi customer name, our new sale is on, get X% off on all our products starting today." What's more, you can also send rich media. What does rich media mean? You can send images, documents like PDFs, you can send even videos that go out to your customers at scale. You can make sure they can see all your brand's content in its rich glory. The other big thing that you get with an official WhatsApp Business API is the ability to integrate your brand on the WhatsApp platform. When a customer receives a message from you, they will see your brand's name followed by a green tick. This reassures the customer that the message is coming from an official business. It's not a spam message. The biggest thing that happens with WhatsApp Business API is that each message you send, as long as the customer's WhatsApp service is active and they accept the message will reach them. With many WhatsApp Blaster softwares, what happens is they will give you a low per message rate. But when you look at the delivery reports of every 1,000 customers that you've sent your message to, it may so happen that only a few of them receive that message. Some businesses also build large WhatsApp groups and send messages to their customers. This means you need employees sitting there with mobile phones with different WhatsApp numbers, setting up different groups and sending messages to their customers. Using WhatsApp Business API, a single marketing or development resource can put together your resource and make sure your marketing runs, your sales runs, and your customer service runs without a hitch on an ongoing basis. Are you ready to get started? Visit us on www.enablex.io and click Start Free Trial. Thank you.